Are you looking to view old carousels that you've shared on Instagram on your PC? Well, you're in luck because a new update makes it easier than ever to access your past content. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, locate the More icon or three dots in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, click on Your Activity to access your past posts. From there, navigate to the Photos and Videos section and locate your carousel in either the Photos or Reels section. Once you've found your carousel, click on Sort and Filter to organize your posts from oldest to newest. This will make it easier to find the specific carousel you're looking for. After selecting Oldest to Newest, click on Apply to save your changes. Now you'll be able to easily view and revisit your old carousels on Instagram right from your PC. With these simple steps, you'll never have trouble finding your past carousels on Instagram again. Enjoy exploring your memories and reliving your favorite moments on the platform.